Da, 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 da. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing well. So what is today? Today is Friday, and guys, I'm still in unpacking mood. Like, in fact, I actually had to unpack a lot of my things because I only own one suitcase out of the two that I traveled with, so I had to unpack the other one to give back to my mother. Yeah, my mother. I know I actually do need to get like suitcases very soon, like a whole set, but that would be maybe when I know that I'm going on my next major trip. But anyway, I am just trying to put my filming room in order because a lot is going on here. I did get a few packages when I was away, right? I got a few packages when I was away, and yeah, just putting my things together in general, you know. So this is the only box that still has a couple of things in it. I've given all the gifts I got for like my family members, my husband, my child, my parents, and people around me basically. So all that is left here are just my stuff. But guys, look at my desert safari photos. Let me show you guys. These were the photos that we took at the safari. This is such a nice keepsake. I feel like this is amazing memories right there. Me and my girls. Look at that. I love this particular picture. Yeah, so this is a very nice keepsake. I'll figure out where to put these here in my office or something. Somebody was asking me to do a what I got in Dubai haul or something. I don't think I'll be doing that because, like I said before, most of my shopping was literally for my folks, okay? My husband, my child, my parents, my sister-in-law, and all of that. So I didn't buy a lot for myself, to be honest, but whatever I can see here that I know I bought, I will show you guys because it really is not a lot, to be honest. So I did get some footwear, but I got mostly like flats because, guys, let's be honest, I don't wear a lot of heels these days. I got a couple of things. So I got this, right? I got this mules slippers thing, and I got it mainly because of the color. I'm obsessed with pastel colors, and I got this. Okay, it's not very high at all. Look at the height of the heel, it's not very high. So I got this, okay, and I also got a bag. I'll show you guys. So I got like a matching bag for those pair of mules. I got it from the very same store, but they don't go together, like they were not being sold together. So I just saw the bag in a different aisle and saw the shoes in a different aisle, and I was like, oh my god, this would go really well. Like, look at that, guys. It goes very well, right? It looks like it was literally being sold together, right? Yeah, I really like this. I'm obsessed with this like quilted design of recent, and yeah, I love it. It has a gold chain. I really love it, and the chain has weight. I really love it. Then I got this pair of flats. I really like this because, you know, it's just easy breezy, cute silver flats. I've already worn this already, but yeah, I love these. Then I also got these as well. This is a nice rose gold ballet flats. I used to have one before, but it's really old now, so I needed like a different one, and I got this. I got all of them from literally the same store. Then I got a black bag in Dubai. I think I showed you guys that bag already in one of the Dubai vlogs because I was carrying it already in Dubai. The bag I traveled with gave way while I was on holiday, literally like the very first day of my holiday, so I had to go into the mall and buy a proper structured bag, and also because I don't own a black bag, like a proper structured black bag, so I was happy I got that. I showed you guys in my previous vlog. If you don't know what it looks like, go and find the vlog and watch it, okay? Over here is just my sister's bag. All of the stuff I got her are in here. She's a Lagos girl, so when I see her, I give this to her. What else? Oh, okay. I got some jewelry from H&M. Some of them were gifts. I've already given them to their respective owners, but let me just show you guys what I got for myself in the jewelry section from H&M. Okay, so I got this necklace. All right, it's like a silver thing right? This part has like stones and stuff, and then the other part is like a proper chain. It reminded me so much of the gold. I have something like this in gold. I think I bought that on ASOS. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is a nice silver version of the gold one I have, and yeah, I had to have it. 45 dirhams. Do the math and know how much that is in dollars, but I got this. And then I got this one. I couldn't resist this one as well because it was like a butterfly, and really beautiful. All right, also from H&M. I think I'm having a thing for chains that look like this these days. Okay, I'm having a thing for them. I don't like subtle chains these days. I prefer more of, you know, chains that are like out there like this. So this one was about, I think, the same price, 45 dirhams as well. Yeah, so I got that. Then I got this a pack of gold hoops, right? Different designs and different textures. I got something like this from Shein some time ago, but guys, they tarnished like so quickly, so quickly. I've even stopped wearing them. So these ones from H&M were literally like, these ones were 59 dirhams for the whole pack. So I'm hoping they are, of course, better quality than what I found on Shein. These ones have a lot more weight, so obviously it's better quality than what I got on Shein for like, what, $1 or $2. What was I actually expecting, you guys? What was I expecting? But that's that for jewelry. Then you guys remember Joy that I hung out with at Wild Wadi Water Park in Dubai. She came with a gift. Like, I don't know what it is with you people that subscribe to my channel and people that follow me. You give me a treat, then you nice to give me gifts. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But she gave me a couple of stuff. So she gave me this really cute bright colored tie-dye shirt. Like, this shows that she watches me and she knows the kind of things that I like, the kind of things that I wear. And this is literally my style. Like, literally my style. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a tie-dye shirt dress. I feel like this is actually a shirt dress. It's long enough to be a shirt dress, but if I wear it and I feel like it's too short, I might wear like shorts under, but I intend to wear this as a shirt dress, and I love it. The colors, the fit, the fact that it is loose, I love it. She knows me. She knows me well. Then she also got me this top as well. Let me see. Yeah, this really nice sheer top. Again, my style. Like, beautiful blouse. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And it's light and airy and all of that. Then she got me this from the Body Shop. Okay, and it's just like a nice box of stuff, more like travel stuff. This one is even making me want to travel again, Seth. Over here is the Body Shop Sheer Shower Cream. That's what it looks like, right? That's what it looks like. It has a little sponge. It smells so good. A little sponge. There's also a bar here, the Body Shop Sheer Soap right there. Okay, and then there is also the Body Shop Sheer Body Butter. So this is definitely like their sheer range. Okay, that's all that's in the box. Thank you so much, Joy. You are such a sweetheart. Like, because of you, I want to come back to Dubai like ASAP. I'm telling you. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. And yeah, I think that's basically everything, because to be honest, like I said before, guys, I didn't really buy a lot for myself. I'm being completely honest. I bought more of gifts than actual things for myself. I did buy like 1 or 2 tops, t-shirts. You guys know my drill, you know my style. But that was basically it. I didn't really buy so much for myself, to be honest. Then these came while I was away, so let me check them out and see who sent them. So this is a DHL bag. Oh, okay, this is from Mo Baby. Mia is working with Mo Baby again, yay. But yeah, they sent her a box of goodies, hair goodies and all of that. There is a thank you card here. Oh, there's a bottle. There's a Mo Baby bottle. What is this? Okay, her influencer brief form. I say her because she's the one working with this brand. It's not me, even though I'm the one doing the work, but now she did work. Then there's a cute little hair bonnet. Oh, there's a comb. Oh my god, her hair needs this comb. Like, this comb was very needed. There is a towel in here, Mo Baby. And then the products. Okay, the products are in here. We have hair growth oil, moisturizing shampoo, leave-in conditioner, co-wash conditioner, and another hair growth oil. 5 products. So yeah, excited to be working with Mo Baby again. All right, then I really don't know who sent this. Ematity Fashion. Oh right, I remember that a brand reached out to me on Instagram that they wanted to send me some stuff from their collection. Okay. Anyway, there are 2 outfits here. Oh, I love this green, guys. You guys know me, I have a thing for green nowadays, so this green looks like money green. Oh, okay. All right, we have this little top thing here. Oh, it's a top and a skirt. Ooh, oh my god. And this color is just beautiful. Ah, please, when is the next event happening in Abuja? Can somebody please tell me? Please tell me. I need to. Oh, I wish I got this before my trip. I would have traveled with it, but wow. It's a top and a skirt, guys. I'm excited for that. And then there is this as well. This is a lovely dress. Look at that, guys. Look at the sleeves. What? This is giving me red carpet vibes. Like, this is giving me a nice dress to go for a nice red carpet event or something. This is beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much, Ematity Fashion, for this. Whenever I wear this on my Instagram, you guys will definitely see. Whenever I do wear this to go anywhere, you will definitely see on Instagram how they fit and all of that. But yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, I guess that is all for now. I need to put this room in order, and I will see and talk to you guys soon. Okay?
The next day.
Mommy, see me.
I won't see you.
Yeah.
You're sitting on my tummy.
You're still making your hair. You've not finished your hair.
You're sitting on my tummy.
Guys, so let me give you guys small gist then. Do you guys know that Mia, we're not joking around here. We're talking serious stuff. It's so cute. Mia.
Yeah, it's my tummy. My tummy.
You're lying on daddy's tummy though. Mia. Mia.
No.
Do you guys know that my husband and I legit forgot our anniversary? So our anniversary was on May 14th. I think because of my Dubai trip and all of that, Mia, stop. We both forgot our anniversary.
I don't know how that happened.
Like, I literally had to call him when I remembered. Not that I even remembered. I saw it on Facebook, babe.
You know, I didn't believe that we would forget our anniversary.
I know, like it's the first time in 6 years that we actually forgot our anniversary. And I didn't even remember. It was that I even opened my Facebook, and Facebook is that one app I never ever open. Like, I never ever open. Hey! So Facebook is that one app I never ever open. Like, I never open Facebook. But that particular evening, I opened my Facebook, and you guys know how Facebook shows you memories. So I opened my Facebook and I opened my profile, and I saw I opened my Facebook. Mia won't let me talk this evening. I opened my Facebook and I saw the memories from my anniversary 3 years ago, and I'm like, wait, what's going on here? Is today my anniversary? Like, what the hell? And I checked the date, it was May 14th. I was like, wait, what? And it was in the evening, like the whole day had already gone. This was not even like in the morning or something. Yeah, it was in the evening. My husband was literally
out with friends.
I was in the house with my mom, and I'm like, mommy, guess what? It's my wedding anniversary today. She was like, wait, what? And you forgot? No, it wasn't my mom. It was Facebook that reminded me. So guys, we're actually officially 6 years married. Come here, Joe. 6 years married to this chocolate man right here. 6 whole years, but babe, 6 years. Hey God, you know, when Momsy was like, wait, how many years again? I was like, mommy, 6 years. She was like, now don't try, Sha. 6 years. In the next 4 years now, I'll be doing 10 years.
10 years and counting.
That 10 years is like his vow renewal we're going to do. We'll do vow renewal when we get to 10 years.
I really want talks like this.
You wear tuxedo? The one that you wear after 6 years is not enough for you, Abby.
My talks are and All those people.
All those people that do it. Our inside joke. It's our inside joke, guys. But yeah, guys, we're 6 years married now.
Yeah.
Happy wedding anniversary to us.
Happy wedding anniversary to us.
Many more years.
Many more beautiful years ahead.
Yes. Mwah, love you. Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's Sunday and I'm just about leaving the house for church. I'm wearing this dress. I've worn this dress before on one of my vlogs, but it is just this kaftan dress. But yeah, I'm heading to church in a bit. I'm at my parents' house, just in case you're wondering why the background looks different. I'm in their house because they are not around. They are both not around, and I will get into why maybe in the next couple of vlogs or so. You guys will understand why. But yeah, I'm here for now. I know you guys have missed seeing me on the vlogs because your girl has been away and all, but Mia is right here. Mia is right here. Look, she has half done her hair and half not done her hair, so I decided to pack the half that she refused to make into a bun for her to go to church, and then when we come back she will finish her. Anyway, just to end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Today's vlog was really not much, to be honest. Not much happened in this vlog. I'm still trying to settle into my regular daily life, but nothing much happened in today's vlog. Either ways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. Yeah, it's like thumbs up, share. Thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, bye.